By combining both the structure and trenching tools in MudShark, we can create complex retaining wall shapes on our projects. Before discussing the more advanced method, if the height of your retaining wall is consistent, you can simply create a structure, giving it a material with the thickness equal to the height of the wall. While creating the structure, you can set surface definition to bottom. By doing this, you can now enter the altitude at the bottom of the wall, and MudShark will build the material upwards instead. Whilst this first method works well for simple walls, most often retaining walls have separate bottom and top of wall levels. In this mock example, the bottom slopes between two altitudes, while the top has a stepped design. To start, let's create a new trench network, and this will be used to define the bottom of our trench or wall. Select the appropriate category and name, deselect pipe, and input the width of your wall. Be sure to check the Extend to Structures box, then give your trench a material and hit Create. Now input the bottom of the trench, remembering to input the trench from its middle point. After defining the bottom of our wall, create a new structure. Name it something like wall top or wall capping. In Advanced, deselect all cut and fill options, as we only want to use this structure to define the top of our wall. Click Create. Now using this new structure, create a cap for our wall. In this case, I've created 3 separate zones, all with a different altitude. After calculating and inspecting in 3D, we can see the material extending past the surface level and stopping where our capping structure is. By changing the bottom and top trench or structure, you should be able to create any retaining wall in MudShark.